Are we live? I think we're live. Finally! My goodness, it took me forever to get ready today. Phew! I had everything set up. I just streamed this afternoon, my goodness. But still, hang on. Are the lines moving up and down? Yes, they are moving. I am streaming. Okay, I'm gonna quickly test the quality of the stream. And I'll be... Right, hang on. Actually, I'm gonna boot up the other computer. Hold on. Let's boot up the other computer. Hang on. Let's see. What a nightmare. It took forever today. Hang on, let me just say hang on one more time, Ken. Hang on. Hold a second. Hello, Luca Bayer. Hello, give me a second. I'm testing things out. I just want to make sure everything's running perfectly fine. I want my stream to be perfect, if I do say so myself. Hang on. Just booting up the other computer so I can actually monitor the status of the stream. I want to make sure everything's running fine. Can you hear me okay, Luke? Can you hear me okay? Is the music too loud? Yo, Sean Slaughter is in the house. If you guys tell me that the stream is running fine, you know, you can hear me okay, the music isn't overpowering me, and all that stuff, it will save me some time. Because I am a perfectionist. I want my stream to be perfect. I'll be right back. Make a glass of wine. I'll be right back. Lowering the game volume, Luke said, and I agree. How about now? Should be okay. Should be okay. Let's play as some Pokemon. Hang on, let me just get the chat up so I can look at what you guys are saying. What's going on here? Hang on. Pop out chat. Good. Now I can minimize this whole thing. Excellent. Alright, we're gonna continue where we left off, where I left off earlier this afternoon. So here we go. Hang on. No, what's going on? Alright, here we go. Whew. In the last episode, in the last stream, we were gonna take on the gym leader, and we're gonna take him on right now. Oh, I forgot to tweet the stream, guys. Give me a sec. I wanna tweet everything out. Actually, stay with me. Stay with me while I do so. I'm not gonna put you on hold again. On hold. I won't put you on hold. Just gonna quickly stream it. Tweet it out. No, buddy. This is not what you tweeted. Hold on. Okay. Whenever you are ready, Facebook. Okay, there you go. Oh my goodness. Come on! What is wrong with you? Stupid Facebook, my goodness. Facebook is completely broken. At least for me. Try again. Yeah, it's gonna do it again. Fantastic. Wow, you're awesome. You are awesome. What the heck? Why do you keep doing that? Alright, hold on. Trying again. Ah! Try again. You're going to France! That's so awesome! So awesome! Then I'll have to say bon voyage. Oh god, come on. No, it just won't. It just won't. It just doesn't want to tweet it out today. Fantastic. Let's do it the old-fashioned way. Let's do it via Twitter. Let's get 2 more badges. Come say hi. And hashtag Pokemon Black 2. There we go. There we go. Let me check if I got a thumbnail on... Is something wrong with the internet today? No, I got a thumbnail on this one. Okay, let's go. Enough jibber jabber. Let's go. I'm gonna check out the quality of the stream again, bear with me. Just wanna make sure everything is perfect. Yeah, it's perfetta. As we say in Maltese, perfetta. No, gracias is in Spanish. Look. Yeah. Okay, so let's go get another badge. There's the gym. Nope, I've been spit it. It spat me out. Let's try again. You don't know it in French. In French, it's merci. Merci. And we're at the gym. We're gonna battle him. I know what we need to do. I know what we need to do. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna try a new strategy. Hang on. We are going to attack with Tepig. Switch. Because Tepig now knows rollout. I wanna try if I can roll out all of them. Let's see if I can do that. This is gonna ramble a bit. Come on. Let's go. I'm gonna stand up for this battle because it's epic. No, it's because I can't sit still. That's why. It's merci, like that one. Perfect. Go, Tepig. Show him what you've got. Show him your boss. Fight, we're gonna use rollout. Let's see if we can keep up rollout through the whole game. Alright, super effective, but we barely did any damage. Don't worry. Okay, that's not gonna do anything. Okay, we're good. Really, Luke? Pokemon are awesome. Pokemon are awesome. I don't think I'll ever get tired of Pokemon. I love Pokemon so much. Basically, you battle them, you capture them. They're like animals, but instead of animals, you have Pokemon, and then you can train them. You can compete in gym badges, and you can get to go to the league and all that stuff. It's awesome. I'm just obtaining my 3rd badge right now. Tepig is level 23. Alright, now I think he's on a roll. Get it? No, but it's true. I think we're gonna defeat them with just... What am I doing? What am I doing? Yes. Let's go. You do another rollout, buddy, and we're good. And I think we're gonna be okay. No! Wow. Wow. Rollout. Oh, no way! No way! Actually, he's gonna heal now, probably. Ah, that's because he endured the hit. Okay, so potion, that's fine. That's fine. That's okay. One more rollout and he's gone now. He keeps enduring the hit. This is incredible. Nice. Nice. Good game, buddy. Good game. That's fine. Let's use our buddy Sandile. I just bought a huge Pikachu plush, actually. It's on my bed. I kid you not. Okay, here we go. We're gonna bite. Let's bite. And he's gone. Okay. Switch your Pokemon? No. I'm gonna try something now. I'm gonna try a new strategy with Sandile. We're gonna slap him with some mud. Mud slap. Let's see. No, that's not gonna work. Oh my goodness. That's alright. We got Mareep, but Mareep not gonna do anything either, huh? No. My rollout technique didn't work. That's fine. Use Thunder Shock. No, we didn't do anything. It's my fault because I really didn't give it my best this time. I wanted to do the rollout thing. I'm dead. Rip City. Rip City. A YouTuber is doing a live Pokemon Call of Duty Zombies custom games. Okay, good for him, buddy. Okay, I blacked out. Let me try my best. Try my best. This time I didn't try my best, so I won't count it as a loss because I tried something that. But we're gonna do it now. Let's try again. Let's see. I'm still gonna keep Tepig in front. And I'm gonna go all out. Tepig has a type advantage, and I'm gonna use that to my advantage. And kombinazzjoni in English is what a coincidence. I'm just saying because there might be others, and they'll be like, "What are you saying?" Make a nice cup of coffee, buddy. I'm having a nice cup of wine. Not a cup of wine, a glass of wine. Let's see. Let's go. Do I have a fly in my room? I haven't seen one of those in ages. Nope, nope, nope. We're gonna go through here then. This has to be it. There we go. I'm gonna use the type advantage to my advantage. I don't care. I don't care. Let's go. And I'm gonna stand up again. Flame charge. Here we go. And that's how it's done. One down already. One attack, one down. That's how it's done. Welcome back, Luke. That's how it's done. Second one. Dwebble, come. Come out, Dwebble. I'm not scared. Keep out. I think he's good. I don't think he's weak against fire type though. I think he's strong. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. Let's go. Yo, True Nightfall is in the house! It's not super effective. That is not super effective. That's annoying me. You know what we're gonna do? You know what we're gonna do? I'm scared. I'm scared to try it again. But I'm scared to try it again. But I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna use rollout. Here we go. I hate that move. I hate that move. Stand a chance. Oh, look at that endurance. He's gone. He's gone. Fantastic. He's gone. I got a crit. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That was so lucky. I got a crit. Ah. I don't care. I'm going to count it as a win. I don't care. Alright, he's going to send Livani. Keep battling because I'm on the roll now with the rollout. I'm on the roll. Get it? Get it? Alright, one rollout, one rollout, one rollout, come on, do it, do it! No! No. Struggle boss. I'm dead. I'm dead. He's down. It's okay, I got two more. But they're not... They don't have exactly good type advantage against them. We'll see. Let's use Sandai. No, actually, true. This is Nintendo DS. This is not 3DS. This is DS. It's something else. This is emulated, actually. I own the game. I'm not condoning piracy. Okay? I own the game. But no, I'm playing this on an emulator. You can play this too. True. Okay? I'm waiting. You can stream this too. Okay? Alright, here we go. Go, Sandile! Sandile intimidates him, so he lowers his attack, which is good. And now this is the ace in his sleeve. He considers this Pokemon as his ace in the sleeve. So this is his best one. Let's see. I'm gonna try Mud Slap. I don't know if it's gonna do anything. Let's try Mud Slap. Ah, Razor Leaf! I'm weak against that move. Nothing. I didn't stand a chance, my goodness. No. I'm down again. Ah! What am I gonna do? Should I try Thunder Wave? Let's try Thunder Wave. Here goes nothing. Goodness. Strong. He's alright, so he's paralyzed. Let's try Thunder Shock. Let's see. No, not very effective. I'm an idiot. too much stress with CVX if I stream today or tomorrow. It's a laid-back Mario Kart today. Yes, it is stressful, isn't it? It's stressful to play. Let's try again with that sentence. It is stressful to play a game that you've never played before, unless it's Pokemon. I've never played this one before, but Pokemon's all the same, more or less. Alright, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this guy. I'm done. Undershock is ineffective. Takedown is gonna cause recoil. I'm gonna go for a takedown anyway. What is this? Vloggy playing Pokemon? I love Pokemon. Oh man, I'm damaged with recoil. This is not gonna work. Paralyzed! He's paralyzed! There is a chance. There is a chance I can do this. Use another takedown. Go! Still paralyzed. Still paralyzed. Still paralyzed. Oh my goodness, back. Let me heal him up. Fresh water. Drink the fresh water, my friend. Yes, we're gonna win. We're gonna win. We're gonna win. Sorry, I didn't say welcome. Welcome to the stream, buddy. Yes, I'm playing some Pokemon for a change. I love Pokemon. I've been meaning to play some Pokemon for a while now. Ouch. Take down again. Oh, I'm done. I'm done. I didn't win. I didn't win. Oh my goodness. I think this is the hardest Pokemon game I ever played. This is the hardest Pokemon game I have ever played, my goodness. I'm having such a hard time with gym battles. Usually it's not like that. Ah, Jack. What am I gonna do? No, I need to defeat the gym leader. I don't care. I'm gonna try again. I have a good team. You know what I need? You know what I need? I just realized. I'm thinking. Let me go get a revive, because otherwise I'll regret it. So let's get us a revive. Hey man, do you sell revives? No revives, my goodness. No, it's amazing. A big city like this one, and there are no revives. They don't sell revives. Oh, come on. Alright, it's all on me then. This guy might need this guy's passed out because it blacked out. Well, blacked out. He didn't say passed out, just blacked out. And in previous versions of the games, it used to say whited out. Yeah, back over 1,000. It's over 1,000! Yes, it's back over 1,000 here. Finally. But before I was 1,033, so... Now with Pokemon Go coming out, people are gonna be out in the streets like crazy. I tried playing it this morning, but it didn't work. It says servers are busy. I don't know. Oh, I'm back out here. Wow, fantastic. And then we go through here. This gym leader is kicking my butt, huh? I don't know what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna heal. Like he's doing. He's cheating. He's healing. If he heals, I heal. That's how it's gonna be. That's how it's gonna be. Let's go. Also, this gym leader's a bit cray-cray. He's crazy. He's a bit out of his mind. Out of his mind, and he's defeating me. That's reality. Alright, here we go. Flame charge. 1 down, 1 to go. 1 down, 2 to go. But I like this. 1 attack, and he's down. That's good. There we go. So far, so good. And I rose my speed. Good. Live stream with Bugger outside. Actually, somebody earlier today actually asked me if I'm gonna stream playing Pokemon Go. What? That's a mobile phone. First of all, I'm gonna stream from my phone. I think you can. Well, where there's a will, there's a way. Secondly, what am I gonna film myself outside? Look, I found a Pokemon outside. It's weird. It's weird. It's not practical. Now then, should I switch Pokemon? I'm gonna switch actually. Yes, switch Pokemon. Since Dwebble. Let's see. Yes. I love my Sandai. He's such a cute crocodile. Alright. I know I have a strategy for this one. So I intimidated him. Good. Mud slap. Now. Do it. That's good. It's not about the damage, it's about lowering his accuracy. That's all it's about. Rock polish. Let him do it, don't worry. If I lower his accuracy at least 5 times, I'm good. So 1 down, let's try again. Mud slap. Struggle bug, I hate this move, I hate this move. Another mud slap, lowering his accuracy once again. It's actually a crit as well. But again, it's not about the damage. It's not about the damage. Another mud slap. He's still doing struggle bug, my goodness. Oof. 1 more of those and I'm dead. His accuracy is once again down, okay. 3. If I do 2 more, I'm happy. Yeah, it's fun. It's fun to do that. Yeah, it's fun to do that. But so far, he's not even missing any attacks. Let's see, 1 more time. Feint attack, I think, never misses. Okay, I don't think feint attack ever misses. But it's okay. His accuracy is lowered 3 times. Which means I'm gonna use Tepic once again. I'm gonna use rollout now. Hopefully he'll miss an attack or 2 at least. Come on, miss 1. Yes! I avoided an attack. Good, rollout. Wow. Okay. He's not missing many attacks, is he? Once again, rollout please. Alright. Stupid endurance. Hyper potion, okay. Oh, come on, please miss 1 attack at least. Just 1. Just 1. Nope. 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 Welcome back, Luke. Did you get your coffee? Alright, we're good. I think we're good now. Yes! I think I have 1 more. I think I have 1 more rollout. I think there are 5. I only used 4. Let's see. Come on, we can do this. Cut. Rollout. Yes, you're gonna do this. Oh! Booyah! I didn't even need any crits. I just used my strategy. Fantastic. I did it. I did it! Wow, this game is hard. This is the hardest Pokemon I ever played. My goodness. Tapping is now 25. I'm happy. Tapping wants to learn move takedown. Let's see what moves you have. Rollout, Smog, Ember. No. No. Give up on takedown. We're good. So, well, I so got 2 games that were on discount PSN store. One I like and one I don't. Still managed to get considering. Which ones? Which ones? You got RE4? I'm waiting for it to be released on the PS4 RE4 before I buy it again. Before I buy it again. It's funny how we're saying that these days. We're buying a game again. Because I own it on the PS2. Tapik wants to evolve, but I say no. No, you will not evolve. You will evolve when I say it. Woohoo! You are very strong indeed. I guess it's no surprise I lost. Here, take this insect badge. I think it'll suit you. And I've got a badge. The third one. I've got the third one. Fantastic. Chase is in the house. Welcome, Chase. We're playing some Pokemon today. That's how I roll, baby. I play some Pokemon. So I get the ladies. I tell them I play Pokemon on stream. Struggle bug. It's a good move. Hey Elite, welcome to the stream. We are playing some Pokemon Black 2 today. Glad you could join us. Come on, True. You used to play Pokemon. I want you to tell me why. Why am I holding them from keeping them from evolving? Tell me why. Tell me why. You know the song. And we're out. We're not out actually. I love Pokemon 2, Elite. I love Pokemon 2 so much. So if you love Pokemon, I suggest you subscribe because I'm going to be streaming Pokemon Sun and Moon as soon as it comes out. Actually, I'm going to be streaming it a bit before it comes out. So yeah, there's that. Let's heal up our Pokemon and move on to the next city. So he can learn new moves before he evolves and can learn. So he can learn the moves earlier. Because let's take Tapik for instance. I'm looking forward to teach him Flamethrower. If I evolve him, he'll learn Flamethrower when he's 43. If I keep him as a little baby piglet, he learns it at. Thank you for the sub. Thank you for the sub, Elite. As a baby Tapik, he will learn it at 34 instead of 44, which is fantastic. You know. I can handle baby Tapik, it's fine. Yes, so his stats are a bit lowered for now. So what? At least he'll learn Flamethrower right away. And then I'll evolve him right away. Rather than having to wait. But as my strategy... Where do I go from here now? I know actually, yes I do. I need to go straight up. Back to Route 20? No, Route 4. Or 20. Where did I get 24 from? Let's go. People talking to themselves, look. You hear them talking to themselves. This is where what do you want? This one is a bit creepy. Oh, it's you again. If it's not an inconvenience, may I have a look at your Pokemon? No. No, who are you? No, it is an inconvenience. Go away, you're creeping me out. You're making me No. Are you sure? But this is for science. Oh my goodness. She actually found my weak spot. I make exceptions when it comes to science. But no. Oh, how interesting. Your Tapik seems... I didn't say yes. How are you looking at my Tapik? Your Tapik seems to display more self-confidence than others. Okay. Fantastic. I'm not sure why you're doing it, but you're bringing out the power of your Pokemon. What did you say? You upset Nightbot, buddy. That's gonna leave a mark. Why, what did you think? Excuse me, I'm a scientist. My name is Colres. The theme of my research is bringing out the power of Pokemon. Bringing out the power of Pokemon. Oh, she's rambling. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. I'm spam clicking right now. Bye. She's trying to weird me out. It was making me feel uncomfortable. True. True. Jack, the reason why you hate RE4 is fantastic. But you're right. It's like all they cared about is getting a few sentences and words right. You know, the language in RE4. What? I battled her earlier today. She wants to battle again. That's weird. Fine, we'll battle again. She's sweet, she takes off her hat to salute me. 40 minutes left for Luke to head to France. Flame charge! It's true, Jack. It's so true. The main problem I had with Resident Evil 4 was this. It had nothing to do with the previous games. Nothing. All they did is just throw in the characters. Alright? And I'm like, what? This is not Resident Evil. The only thing it has in common with the previous games was Leon. Actually, Jack, I've been dating a Spanish girl, and I actually sent her the audio files of what the ganados are saying, and I told her, what are they saying, like, and she was telling what they're saying. She didn't complain about the way they were talking, though. You seem to be the only one, Jack. No, I'm kidding. But there's different dialects and stuff, and I understand. But there's one of them actually tells you, I'm right behind you, idiot. When they're behind you and they're hitting you, and you don't turn around, they can tell you, I'm right behind you, idiot. That was awesome. Matt Queen, welcome! Which of the DS Pokemon games is the best in your opinion? Well, that's a very tricky question. I basically stopped playing so I can ramble. One of my favorites is Pokemon Heart Gold and Soul Silver, simply because I love Gen 2 so much, and I'm so happy that it got remade, you know? So I love Heart Gold and Soul Silver so much, it's one of my favorites. But even this one is nice, even this one's lovely. I hate the Pokemon, I hate Gen 5, this was Gen 5 if I'm not mistaken. I hate Gen 5 so much, every single Pokemon created was like they were scraping at the bottom of the barrel for ideas, you know? But this was revolutionary because look at the Pokemon, they're actually moving, the camera's moving back and forth, and both Pokemon are actually moving, look at them. They're animated, and I love that so much. So yes, yeah, that's the one. I think that's the one. I recognize the imbecile, but that's... Yes, but I remember him calling you imbecile, yeah. That's the one. So I hope that answers your question. I'm gonna keep battling now. Flame charge! I love Pokemon. I can't wait for Sun and Moon. So much. He's gonna switch out around. Switch Pokemon. Let's take out my bat. Thunder Shock. It's raining like crazy. Where, Matt Queen? Where? You should totally play it through and stream it. I'll be there. I'll be there. Let's tackle. It's you again. What do you want? I've been waiting for you. What's the matter? Interested in what's behind me? These are not mere rocks, but the Pokemon known as Crustle. Observe. With this device I created to energize Pokemon. So cute! South Carolina. My goodness. Is it normal to rain like that in South Carolina? I can't even tell if it's a dude or a chick. That's this yellow-haired person. Now that I think of it, I never asked your name. Yeah, you never did, and you never gave me your... I think she did give me hers. Or his. Oh, this person wants to battle me. And now I can see it's a dude. It's a dude. Oh my goodness, this dude wants to battle me. Okay, let's see if you are intimidating. A Magnemite. Yeah, Team Plasma's the new Team Rocket. Well, there's always Team Magma and Team Aqua and Team Plasma and yeah, so yeah, it's always a team. There's always a team. Alright, let's flame charge it. Sturdy, wow, that's good. You endured the hit. You paralyzed me. Nice. Level 26. I need to switch Pokemon. I know I keep training this guy instead of the others, and he's gonna be over leveled. Clink. A Pokemon called Clink. This is what I'm talking about. Look, when I said they're scraping the bottom of the barrel when they came up with ideas. A Pokemon called Clink? My goodness. And we're gonna imagine what this Pokemon looks like. Something made of metal. Alright, something that clanks. Let's see. I'm gonna keep battling because I'm assuming it's a metal type Pokemon. Let's keep battling. Clink. Look at that. Seriously. And Clink fainted. I only acknowledge 151 Pokemon, maybe some Gen 2 Pokemon. I love Gen 2 so much. But Vloggy, I want to evolve. No. Obtain some protein. Nice. Thank you. Now I'm gonna make a shake. No Pokemon centers around here? Ooh, look at the trucks going by. That's so cool. Oh, what do you want? Uh-oh. What is this guy? Police? Yeah, he is. Served by Policeman Dell. He thinks I'm a bad guy. Okay. And once again, I forgot to switch my Pokemon. Flame Charge! I'm paralyzed. Oh, sorry to hear, Matt Queen. Sorry to hear about your internet. I can imagine how frustrating that can be. Tepig fainted, which is good. I'm done with Tepig, come on. Mud Slap. Copycat? What's that? Oh, that's interesting. But I avoided the attack. Haha, joke's on you. Growlithe. Keep battling. I stand an advantage. At an advantage with this guy. Okay, this one you probably recognize then, true. Growlithe, he's Gen 1. Okay, Mud Slap. I need to look for a water type. I need a water type in my team. Oh wow! GG Growlithe. GG. Let's go. Reap. Thundershock. He's tough. There's no stopping you. Why am I... Okay, let's go. Let's switch Pokemon before I forget again. Switch. And let's go heal. There's no Pokemon Center here. Really? Really, really? No, not now. Uh-oh. True. Wow, I'm getting sleepy. I think the stream was a bad idea. Oh no! No, I need to defeat another gym leader before I actually end the stream. I don't care, even if it takes another 5 hours. What? What's going on? What about my personal space? I don't care if it takes another 5 hours to get the next badge. I am getting the next badge. I'm gonna battle some Pokemon. Look at her! She's battling me again! She keeps battling me over and over, I don't know why. Is this a glitch? How strange. This woman keeps battling me over and over for some reason. Very funny, true. It's like you don't see the clock on the DS screen thing. It's handy, isn't it? Mud slap. Wow, he keeps avoiding my attacks. That's fantastic. But I'll keep trying. I think she does. I think she wants a piece of the Kenny. Oh. You know, I actually didn't notice that the clock till you said that. And of course you did. Come on, Joe. You are not that smart. Come on. I can't guess what time it is over there. Let me give it a guess. Hang on. If at 7 in the morning my time, it's 10 p.m. over at your time, that means it's around. Is it 5 p.m. over there? Is it 5 p.m. over there? That is my final answer. It's 5 p.m. over there. Switch back. Yeah, she wants a piece of the vloggy. Look how you're liking it so far. It's nice. It's alright. I hate this generation of Pokemon. As I was saying, it's like, that's true. I'm not smart, but I know you are 9 hours ahead. I hate this generation of Pokemon. As I was saying, it's like they ran out of ideas when they were designing these Pokemon. Except for a few exceptions, like Sandile, my little crocodile over there. That's a cute Pokemon. But other than that, it's like they were running out of ideas. If you had to see the ones they came up with, it's 5:35. There you go. I got it. I round up to the hour. I meant 5:35. So yeah, I mean, if you had to see the Pokemon that there are in this game, like there's one that's literally a garbage bag, like a garbage bag full of garbage with the knot and everything. You know how you tie the garbage bag with the knot at the top? Yeah, and the Pokemon is called Trubbish. Are you kidding me? It's stupid. It's stupid. Yeah. So I'm gonna stick with the classic ones when I catch them. 8:36 over there. Nice. Is it okay now? Is the stream okay now? Am I back? Is it back? It's a good thing you brought it to my attention. I'm sitting in front of two computers, okay? I'm playing the game on one computer and streaming it, of course, and monitoring the stream, the video on another computer. It's funny how I didn't even realize. I have monitored for nothing. Okay, but it's back, it's fine now, is it? According to my... Fine. How long was it away? Yeah, stream's running now. How long was it gone? I didn't realize. Oops. Jack. Jack is antisocial, guys. Alright, Jack is like, get off me. He's got a girl and she's all into him and he's like, get off me. I'm burnt. I'm burnt. Probably just OBS acting up. Sorry about that. I have to disagree, I like selfies. Well, not selfies, no. I'll take that back. I don't like... But I like photos. No, I like photos. Just yesterday I was hanging out with a few, you know, I was gonna say, good-looking people, you know, and I wanted a picture of them. Good-looking... females. True nose. Keep battling. Oh my goodness. I mean, look at that Pokemon. Look at that Pokemon. What is that Pokemon? That's a real dog. Oh my goodness. Mad Queen, you're mean. Next time I meet you, I won't. Next time I meet you, whenever I meet you, I'm not gonna ask for a picture then. True. You got no idea. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm trying to be humble here. No, it's not that much. It's not that much. He's a guy that weighs about 100 kilos, has long hair, and has a beard that gets him confused with his peers, and is a total hypercase. Is it too loud? Is the game audio too loud, guys? Can you hear me okay? I just can't help but flip-flop, flip-flop, flap through I refuse if I don't get the Viking axe. To hold the Viking axe, yeah. I got it. Just gonna lower it a little tiny bit. Alright, I'm gonna leave. Oh my goodness! My Pokemon is evolving! No! Oh my goodness! Just to fix the audio, I forgot my Pokemon. He was gonna evolve. Oh my goodness, that was so... I was so worried! Oh my goodness, just to fix the audio. I switched windows, of course, and I was fixing the audio and stuff, and my Mareep was evolving. And then I was pressing Z to stop it from evolving, but the window wasn't selected. Oh my goodness. I mean, it would have been the end of the world, that's fine, but it would have ruined my plans for the game. It's okay. I want Mareep to learn Thunder. Psyduck! Wolf panic. I like that. Hashtag evolve. Evolve. I didn't even spell it right. Let me try again. Hashtag evolve panic. Psyduck. That's how he goes, Psyduck. I need another glass of wine. Basculin. It's the fish we battled earlier, yeah? Let's see, the green one. That's the one. It's a good looking fish, actually. They're a good looking fish. If I do say so myself. Evolve panic. I like that. Evolve panic. Maybe I should get it on a t-shirt. Well, the thing is, no. If you think that Psyduck was a paperweight in the cartoon, he was at first, but remember when he got really bad headaches, he used to do some amazing psychic abilities? No, he was a very powerful Pokemon. He was badly trained though. He was poorly trained. Psyduck is a good Pokemon in the game as well. 40 minutes to go for Luke. He's going to France. Speaking of traveling, do you guys like to travel? Am I the only one that likes to travel? Believe it or not. Smog. Oh no! Oh no! We're good. I need to get a fishing rod. I want to start fishing. I want a Magikarp. She was a terrible trainer, yes. Indeed. Let's go. I need a fishing rod. Look, this is what I was talking about, look. This Pokemon is called Trubbish. He's literally a garbage bag. Full of garbage. Oh my goodness, I mean, come on. Come on. You know what? I'm gonna burn you. I'm gonna burn you. That's what we do to garbage. We burn it. Just because Muck was a success in creating a slime, toxic slime type of Pokemon, doesn't mean you can do it again with a garbage bag. Would you mind me taking my garbage bag out? I need to take the trash out. But not now, I'm busy. Let's go heal up again. You know what that means, right? In order for me to go heal up, I have to pass in front of her again. And she's gonna battle me once again. Yeah, that represents exactly true. Exactly. My feelings exactly. I have a feeling it's gonna be a while before we get the next gym badge. And I don't care. I don't care how long it takes. We're gonna get another gym badge. And my next Pokemon is gonna have to be a water type. I have my my mindset on a Magikarp. I would like a Magikarp. I don't know if that's gonna be a possibility, but we'll try. Ah! There she goes again. I don't mind battling her, it's fine. Listen to what True says. Subscribe for more awesome, or for more sauciness. Thank you so much, True. Mud slap. Are you watching anything interesting on TV, Jack? Keep battling. No, not keep battling. Ah, wrong move. Pokemon, switch. I think it's the 4th time during this stream, but I fought her again earlier when I went up here to catch Sandile. Earlier today I had another stream, and I fought her again. So that's a total of 5 times probably. It's okay, I don't mind trashing her each time. Maybe one day she'll give up. I get to test out my new technique, Electro Ball. Let's see. Awesome. He's clearly in love with me. Story of my life, True. Story of my life with all the ladies, and I'm like, no, okay, no, leave me. Typical Spanish movie. Okay, so I don't think there's anything else I can do here. It was a dead end, wasn't it? Yeah, I'm not going back. There's nothing here. These side doors get me confused. Sometimes I don't even realize there are doors on the side. Let's see. Ladies though. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Okay, this is nothing. This is just about stats and stuff. I don't care. Is there anything in the trash? No. I like to exaggerate, just to make people laugh. And trade your cutoff. I don't have a cutoff. What you talking about, Willis? Wide lens. I'm hoping somebody gives me a fishing rod. If I'm with a big Pokemon, even I look slim. Nobody cares, buddy. Nobody cares. Hi, welcome. There's nothing here. Okay. Oh, hi, I'm gonna make a sound Pokemon. I don't have time for this. Oh, okay. And I was going down to heal up. There was this guy. He's got a Pokemon like mine, but he's the evolved form of mine. Glug, 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 glug. He's the evolved form of mine, apparently, because he's standing on 2 legs. Welcome back, Chris. Welcome back. As you can see, we're playing more Pokemon again. A vending machine. Oh, that's awesome. Fresh water. I'll take a few more. I'll take a few more of these. These are handy. Okay, it's time to... Oh, you don't want to battle? Go through the gate, just head straight. That's how you get to the Relic Castle. I don't feel like going to the Relic Castle, though. I don't feel like going to the Relic Castle, no. I'll go to the next city. I want to challenge the gym leader. I'll... Okay, we'll see. 5 more minutes for Luke. What's this? What is this? Join Avenue. What's this? What's all this? What should I do? I can't possibly manage everything. Hello there. Can you do me a favor? He's gonna ask me to do something for him. Welcome to Join Avenue. We don't have anything yet, as you see, so it's just an avenue at this point. Oh, where are my manners? Allow me to introduce myself. I am the owner of Join Avenue. My dream is to go around the world, build avenues that bustle with lots of people. The problem is, I have no one I can trust to manage the avenue. Something just struck me. You seem to be a trainer traveling around, aren't you? You naturally meet people from all over this region, don't you? I know it seems sudden, but will you manage the avenue? So funny. Man, this game is so funny. So this manager, this owner of this avenue, is having a hard time because he can't find anybody he trusts to manage his avenue, okay? His business, whatever this may be. Oh, look, a stranger! Can you manage it for me, please? So funny. It's so funny. Come on, am I complaining too much about this? How many badges? I'm on 3 badges right now. I'm on the 3rd. I did the 3rd badge. I'm looking to do the 4th one before I leave. I really need you to help me. You know what that means, don't you? No. I need you to help me. You know what that means, don't you? Game! Again, I'm gonna complain about this game, okay? Game. Why give me a choice if I've got no choice? It's annoying. It's so annoying. Why give me the choice if I have no choice? Really? I can say words. I can say words like ass. That's a great line. What do you say when you remove your heart? It's just something universal, the phrase that anyone will understand. You know, warning, the words you say are about to enter may be sent to other players. Please consider them carefully before you register them. Look at that! Look at that! Oh my goodness! This game is funny. See ya, Luke. Thank you so much for hanging out. I look forward to hear about your adventures in France. Take care, buddy. I knew it. You are the one. Who else could you... So funny. Can I get out of this room? Please, can I get out? Thank you, please, thank you, bye. What's your title? This is your nickname in the avenue only. What is your title? I don't know. So what's in this avenue then? What's in here? What do I do in here? Do you have any questions? What is this place? This is played in the adventure of our region. Do you have an idea? That's the major one. I don't care, man. Thank you, Mad Queen. I am very proud of myself. So is my mom. Nimbasa City Gym Leader Elisa is a fashion model. I'd love to see her glide lightly down the catwalk. Yeah, down the catwalk. Let's go. Is this the gym? Doesn't look like the gym. Let's see what it says. Battle subway, battle and ride. This is awesome. Heard that in the gear station. Will you battle with me? My pleasure. Thanks. The name's Rosa. Let's become the best partners ever and surpass the subway bosses. So have you challenged the subway bosses with me then? What? No, I want to battle you, not the bosses. What's going on? Alright, here we go. I'm standing up for a bit. Oh wow, big Pokemon. Okay, here we go. So, Mud Slap on Boldor. Well done. Nice. I'll get rid of this sturdy. I love double dappers. And I got leveled up again. 21. Fantastic. Ouch! Ouch! Wow! What was that? Oh. Electro Ball. Go! Did he just do the moonwalk? Did you see that? I think Servine just did the moonwalk. Wow, Girder is strong. Very strong, my goodness. Electro Ball again, go. Fighting these guys is a good way to level up, huh? You're leaving, Chris. Thank you so much for hanging out. Take care, buddy. Take care. See you next time. Bravo. Okay, I'll think about the subway buses, but not for now. What's all this? Oh, look at that! How cute! What is this? Pokemon Gym! Former buses here, Pokemon Gym. No. It's a former gym. So it's not a gym then? Come on. Weird. Okay, I'm gonna heal up and I'm gonna check that out. He sure does. He sure does, McQueen. Is there no... Oh, come on. Theater. So many gimmicks in this game. So much stuff I don't care about. Football. What? Yeah. He knows how to draw the crowd, really. Okay. Oh, there it is. Finally. I'm getting sleepy, huh? I'm getting sleepy. I need to get the next gym badge so I can end the stream. This was a bad idea, starting the stream at so late. What do you want? Let's see. I have a feeling this is the gym. I don't know. Even though it says former. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, this has to be the gym. Pokemon. Let's see. 21, 23. Sandile needs training, so we'll keep him on the front. What is she saying? Now this is really amazing. Usually you just remodel the gym, but you built a completely new one. Okay, so this is not the gym then. Hang on, hang on. Nobody's fighting, nobody's challenging me here, so I don't think... Oh, what's this? Okay, she's gonna challenge me. This is weird, I don't know if this is the gym or not. Stop teasing me, game! Rich boy, rolling. Okay, Sandile. Slap him with mud. Good job, Sandile. Good job. It seems like the Pokemon here are electric. I'm starting to think that this is a gym. Whoa, look at that. Critical, my goodness. Welcome back, Chris. Welcome back. Okay, I don't feel like dying, so I got style. Of course I got style, baby. Hang on, quickly, I'm gonna change. Oh, not change my Pokemon. Hang on, because the bus is here. The bus is here. Hang on. Get in. Beep, beep. Get out. And now, yeah, I was gonna do something. Bag. Let's have a fresh water. There we go. No, I'm not Italian, Chris, but I speak it and I understand it. But we try to keep it in English in here so everybody understands. You know how it is. I'm Maltese actually, Chris. I'm Maltese. Do you know where Malta is? I'd be very disappointed if you told me you don't know where Malta is. Because we're right below you. You know how below Italy there's Sicily? Of course you know. Okay, if she has electric type Pokemon, this has to be the gym. Let's see. The bus, yeah. Had to catch the bus. This is gym number 4. Assuming this is the gym. If she has electric type Pokemon, I'm assuming yes, electric type, you see? Fluffy. So cute. That's how my Mareep is gonna evolve into a Fluffy, like that. Fluffy! Yeah. All Pokemon here are electric, so I'm assuming this is the gym. Mat Slap. Wow, that did nothing. Wow. Alright. Strong, huh? Really strong. If I can lower the accuracy at least. I want to lower the accuracy at least 3 times or 4 times. 4 times. Let's just say 4 times. If I lower the accuracy at least 4 times, I'll be happy. It says super effective, but it's barely doing any damage. You see that? It's alright, Chris. Don't worry about being a fast typer. We got no rush. We're not going anywhere. That is, unless before I beat this gym, I'm not going anywhere. I hope this is a gym. Because usually the gyms outside, they have like a little logo. It's like a little gym badge on the outside. This one didn't, and I'm worried if this is a gym or not. Well, actually, Sandile is a ground type, I think. We'll check. Oh, one last move. Uh-oh. My mouse just died. It's okay. I'll control the game with the... My mouse just died, my goodness. Okay. Oh, it's back. Okay, it's back. Let's bite. very strong is embargo. However, and already knows 4 moves. What does embargo do? I forgot. Let's see. Let's check it out. It prevents the target from using its held item. Nah, it's not important. They are kind of overpowered. I hope I can defeat this gym easily. We'll see. Let's get in, let's get in. Is that the gym leader? It looks like it. No, she's not the gym leader. Hang on, I need to put the headset down for a bit because my mouse battery's died. I'm gonna put them on some charge. I'll be right back. And I'll make myself a glass of wine since I'm up now. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. I'm back. Okay, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Is it looking good? If I don't chat, you know, my turn's gone. Alright, Matt Green, thank you so much for being here anyway. So whether you stick around or whatever, if your internet dies or whatever, don't worry, no pressure. Does VloggyBuddy have any electric element Pokemon? Yes, I do. Let me show it to you. Let me show you my buddy. I have Sandile. And he's a ground and dark type Pokemon. And I have my electric Mareep. And my fiery Tepig. Welcome to the stream, by the way. Gamerman. I'm trying to understand your username. The Slim Gamerman. There it is. The Slim Gamerman. Welcome to the stream, buddy. Okay. So, now then. Oh my, did you come here looking for the gym leader? Please, please, please don't say that you're not here. I'm sorry, you just missed her. She just left for the gym. Take this for making all the way here. Oh my goodness, she is not here. This is not the gym. I was right. So I hear the gym leader likes the thrill of roller coaster. Yeah, no, Mud Slap is all I have right now. Mud Slap is all I have. I'm sure I'll get it eventually. Alright, so this is not the gym. Which one is the gym then? Is this the gym? Do you want to battle perhaps? Sure, why not? Let's battle. An old lady. She's an old lady. She wants to battle me. An old lady. Oh, look! She's so cute! She dropped a Pokeball. I like that. What's her Pokemon? Minchino? What is it called? Minchino. Okay. Let's see. Matslap. Oh my goodness, I need to heal. Bite. The sooner I find the gym leader, the sooner I'll go to sleep, because I have to defeat the gym leader. So it's a female. I need to defeat her and then I'll get some rest. Until then, I'll still be up. Yeah, she doesn't look like an old lady, eh? Right with you? What? Uh-oh. Things are getting serious. It's the ladies. It's the ladies. Always the ladies. Look, she wanted me to go up with her. There you go. Story of my life. Come on. Fishy. Let's go. Gym leader, where are you? This is it. This is the gym, you see? This is what I was talking about, Nut Queen. This is the logo that they usually have on the outside. You see the little badge? This is the gym leader. This is the gym. Okay, but first I need to heal. Is there a... So cute. What's this? I need to find a way to heal myself before I go to the gym. So yeah, sleep is in sight right now. I can sleep soon. There's the Pokemon Center. Okay, we're gonna end this. Can you imagine if the gym is overpowered? She has overpowered Pokemon and I can't stand the chance. I don't care. I don't care. We're gonna defeat the gym. Let's go. I'll keep Sandile on the front because 23. It's not much, but it's true. It's true. I got the same vibe, Chris. I got the same vibe. Alright, let's go. My quest to bed. So this is the gym. She moved out of that building and she came to this one. She's a fashion model, so I expect her to be pretty. I forgot the levels, what they were. Oh, so the gym is a catwalk. Ah, he's gonna give me a fresh water. I love this idea so much. Look. I love this so much. This is the first Pokemon game I ever played that they give you a fresh water when you come into the gym, like here on the house, and they give you a fresh water. They should do it in every gym. I like the idea. Alright, so yeah, electric types, ground types. Oh, look at that, it's a show. I'm gonna be fighting in front of all these people. Welcome to a stylish Pokemon battle and a fashion show created by the Pokemon and trainers is starting now. Alright, I'm gonna stand for this battle. Oh, there she is. She's stylish. Beauty Nicola. Hello, kid. Look, it's Rusty. Welcome, Rusty. We're playing some Pokemon Black too. I told them I'm not going to bed before I defeat this gym leader. That's how it's gonna go. That's how it's gonna go. Mudslap. Not a good start. Wow, that's a lot of defense. But that's okay. It's not about, again, it's not about the offense right now. It's not about the damage. It's about slapping him with mud to lower his... There you go. lower his accuracy as much as possible. That's how it's gonna be. Alright. No, he's not gonna attack me at all. Definitely. Just waiting for his light screen to wear off. Once it does, you're doomed, my friend. Wore off, there you go. Ah! Withdrawal. Oh my goodness. Now I'm not sure what happens next. Just because she withdrew the Pokemon, does it mean that his accuracy resets again? I don't know. Oh, Mad Queen, I'm so sorry. And the True is back. True, I told them I'm not going to bed unless I defeat this gym leader. And I think it's gonna be quite the end of her, huh? Look, slowly, I'm depleting his health. That's gonna take a while, huh? But at least I'm avoiding attacks because I lowered the accuracy once again. Bite. Another one bites the dust. I knew it. Static. I'm gonna get paralyzed. Alright, one's down. I guess we're gonna find out if... And a kid. Alright, we're gonna find out if the... Maybe True can tell me. True. If somebody withdraws their Pokemon and then sends it out again, do they reset their stats? If I lowered his accuracy to 0, then he withdraws it and he throws it back out again. You know, does it reset? I'm about to find out. Keep battling. I got one more Mutts left to go. Let's see. It does not? That's fantastic. Bite! I'm already paralyzed anyway, so... I'm not gonna get staticked again. He's static. Alright, fantastic. He's down. Alright, so I defeated one train already. And Sandile grew to level 24. Fantastic. It doesn't. Alright, it doesn't. The common answer is it doesn't, which is fantastic. Thank you, guys. Yeah, everybody's clapping. Yes. You're all welcome. I'll be here all week. Okay, I'm gonna go heal up and I'll be right back. Get on the bike. I want to check out Sandile real quick, the moves he learns. Hang on. I'll be right back real quick, hang on. Cerebi.net. I love this website so much, it's so good. It's such a resourceful website. So, black and white Pokédex. And I need Sandile, so it starts with an S, S-A-N-D. Sandile, there he is. Such a good website. So, my Sandile stands at what level? Mud Slab, Embargo. His next move is going to be Swagger, then Crunch, Dig, blah 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 blah. Okay, I'm looking for Earthquake. He learns Trash as well, huh? Trash is a good move. No, I'll keep him as a sandal for a while. Earthquake is a fantastic move. Okay. Yes, after the battle, yeah, after the battle, it makes sense, yes. After the battle, it makes sense. No, I'm just thinking about when they just switch out, you know? I don't think I have Mudsport though, do I? Let me check my TMs. Beg. No, I don't. No, I don't. Rock Smash. No, but that's a fighting type. Poison, Dark, Normal. No, no, no. No. I'm gonna fight as it is, as I am. I'm gonna fight raw. This is the gym. Here we go. Let's go. Let's get in there. Get in there. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, there we go. That took forever. Chupacabra, I chose you. Sup, girl? What you doing? I'm gonna stand up again. Because I can't sit still. Look at her posing. And she's got 2 Pokemon. Let's see. Let's go. What does she have? A Fluffy? 27, huh? Level 27. That's not a joke, huh? At least I intimidated Fluffy, which is good. Her attack is lowered. Fight Mudslap. Look at that. Look how little damage I did. Cotton Spore. She slowed me down probably, yeah? Yeah, Mudslap. Don't worry. Don't worry, buddy. Don't worry. If I can lower it at least 4 times, I'm happy. One more, I'm happy. No, it wasn't the gym leader. First you gotta attack a couple of trainers. That's how it always is. It's never that easy. Oh, one more Mudslap, hey, come on. Alright, now we're gonna bite. And I'm gonna get static for sure. You wanna bet? You wanna bet? As soon as I bite, I'm gonna get static and paralyzed. Let's see. There we go. Right away. Right away. It's okay. You can't do anything anyway. I should get some serious XP on this one. Let's see. 1169. There we go. That's good. Santa wants to learn Swagger. There it is, Swagger. I got the moves like Swagger. Should I teach him Swagger? Let's see. Swagger's a good move, huh? Forget. Instead of assurance. What does assurance do if the target has already taken some damage? See, there, the text power is doubled. You know what? I'm gonna take my chances with Swagger. We'll see. I might regret this. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see, Chris. I love Swagger as a move, but I might regret it, but it's fine. It might be useful. Swagger like McJagger. Come on, slap him with the mud. Oh, come on. Please don't kill me. Awesome. Good. Excellent. Come on, you shouldn't hit me now. I've slapped you a couple of times now. Ah, you still are. Okay. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. My Charizard. Stop it, Drew. My Charizard is on my 3DS. There you go. I still did it. I still did it. Sandile, you're fantastic. Thank you very much. Where's your Charizard? Should be a crime to have a Pokemon team with no Charizard. It's true. I believe that, Drew. I believe that. I agree 100%. I love my Charizard so much. I have 2 Charizards actually, and they are really, really strong. One of them is actually shiny, a shiny one. But they're on my 3DS. Actually, they're right now they're safe in the Pokemon Bank. Now let's play a game, guys. I don't know if the next trainer is the gym leader or not. I don't know if there's another one. We'll see. But let's make a bet. Let's make a bet. Do you think I will defeat? Do you think I'll defeat the gym leader at my first attempt or not? If at all. Do you guys think I'm gonna defeat the gym leader or not? At first try. At the first try, I mean. Hey Rawlings Gamer, welcome to the stream. We're playing some Pokemon Black 2. If you're a fan of Pokemon, you're gonna enjoy this. Let's see if I'm gonna get my my ass handed to me. Let's see. There's one more trainer apparently, according to Chris. You've played this before, have you? Seems like I'm the only one who hasn't played this game. Oh, where am I? I came in the wrong building. Oops. Chris thinks I'm gonna defeat the gym leader at first try. We'll see. No, Articuno. It's a beautiful Pokemon, but I don't like legendaries. I hate using legendaries. Alright, one more Pokemon, come on. Okay, here we go. If I can reach level 27 or more before I get to the gym leader, it'll be fantastic, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I believe in you. That is such a good pun, Mad Queen. Thank you for that pun, it made me smile. Oh, look, Rawlings wants to be kicked out. You're gonna get one more of those, buddy. And then, you'll be banned. Hey, Varo, welcome to the stream. Well, I'm playing some Pokemon today, for a change. So I was watching this streamer earlier. That's why I started my stream late today. Because I was watching another streamer. And whenever he gets trolls, or oh, well, let's just call them trolls. Whenever he gets trolls, he bans them. He insta bans them right away. There's no timeouts. There's no second chance. He just insta bans them right away, and he goes, "Bye, have a great time." He says all the time. It's so funny. "Bye, have a great time." Makes me laugh when he says that. Your favorite Togekiss, seriously? Okay. Everybody's got some tastes. Elekid. Switch your Pokemon, keep battling. Hey, come on, we're gonna do this. We're gonna fight. We're gonna fight. You don't say what to cat. Blaziken is a good Pokemon, yeah, I agree. Yeah, he's a good Pokemon. I was talking about Mega Evolutions earlier, how they Mega evolved the starters of the first generation, and then they skipped Gen 2, and they Mega evolved the third generation. Like, why did you skip over Gen 2? I want to see a Mega Typhlosion. I want to see a Mega Feraligatr. Ah, man. Queen doesn't say her, I believe in you to Cat. Why? Why wouldn't she say that to Cat? I would tell her that, I believe in you. Blissey. Okay, I'm gonna reach level 26 before I get to the gym leader, which is fine. It's okay. And with this strategy, I think I stand a good chance against the gym leader, I think. We'll see. Okay, bite, go. There you go, fantastic. Okay, we made it to the gym leader, but I'm gonna have to go heal again. She puts on quite the show. Oh my goodness, she's a diva. I'm gonna enjoy defeating her. I'll be right back. I love Pokemon. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't think I told this to anyone, but I'm not gonna say I have a bad eyesight, but the reason why I wear glasses is Pokemon. It's because of the tiny screen of the Nintendo DS. I used to spend hours playing that game. And then when I get my eyes off my Nintendo DS and I look away, I'm like, oh, everything is so blurry, my goodness. My eyes, it's true, I used to spend Saturday nights playing my DS. So, I understand when you say more than 900 hours playing. I know the feeling. You stop it. Stop it, Tro. Stop it! We just hit 2 hours, did we? Good, at least it wasn't a short stream. Well, to me it has to be more than 3 hours. Well, more than 4 to be honest with you, to qualify as a decent stream. Anything less than 2 hours for me is like, eh. Anything even, we'll see. I'm rambling, I'm sorry. Let's go, let's defeat the gym leader. Come on, Mad Queen. Come on, of course, I'm gonna enjoy beating her, but hang on. Hang on. I need to organize myself. And now I'm organized. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for this? I'm standing up right now. Are you guys ready? Let's do this. Welcome to the main stage. My beloved Pokemon and your Pokemon shall compete. We're going to see whose star shines brightest. Let's go. Look at her. Damn! Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't think my Mudslap is going to stand a chance, actually. I don't think Mudslap's gonna work because he's a flying type. I don't think that's gonna work. I'm gonna try it anyway. Here we go. Right, see, I knew it. Alright, it's fine. Swagger. Attack yourself. No! Ah! Oh my goodness! No, the thing is, I'm not trying to rush into anything, true. I only found 3 Pokemon that I really like. You know? If I effort, I can do it. I am efforting. It's okay. I still have a few aces up my sleeve. Bite again. Come on, attack yourself. Come on. No! Hey, Irving, welcome. Welcome to the stream, buddy. We're playing some Pokemon Black too. And right now we're not doing so well. Let's try tapping. I think I've seen you on Matt's streams, Albert Wesker's streams. Yeah? That's where I know you from, I think. How about a rollout? Rollout. I'm gonna try it. Volt switch. Ouch. What are you doing? Why are you volt switching each Pokemon? Why are you doing this? Okay, this is not good. Here's what we're gonna do. What is this? No. I'm being very quiet right now because I'm trying to concentrate on what to do next. Okay, we're back. Sorry about that. Sorry. No, it didn't, Matt Queen. I'm sorry. I think it's mine that's giving out. It's okay. We're back. But thank you for pointing that out again, True. I'm just so focused on the game right now. Alright, let's see. What was I doing? Yeah, I was gonna bite. Another one. Bites the dust. Alright, one more bite. Hyper Potion, are you kidding me? Come on, flinch. No flinch? Of course not. Bite, one more bite. Yes! But I think it's time for me to heal someone else. Use on Mareep. We're both paralyzed now. You know what? I'm gonna use this one more turn to... One last turn so I can actually use... Who am I gonna give this to? Tepig. Oh! I get to attack one more time. Do I go first? Do I go first? Nope, I don't. Before it goes... the ultimate flip in the bird. Come on. Maybe I attack with Marie again. And flame charge, please. Oh my goodness, look at that! Look at the game's trolling me, eh? Volt switch, of course. Ah, static. Dang it! Volt switch again. My goodness, why? Why? She only has two Pokemon then, yeah. Sandile, you're in for a treat. Good, good. We're doing it. We're doing it slowly, slowly, but we're doing it. Okay, now. I'm scared. I'm scared. Should I just heal? Let me try Mud Slap. Okay, I need to lower the accuracy. Oh, that's awesome. One more. One more. Oh, this is awesome! Look at this, guys! I'm doing it! I'm doing it! I didn't think I was gonna do it, but I did it! I did it! With my Mud Slap! With my Mud Slap. We're gonna finish off with a bite. Another one bites the dust. We did it. We did it. $27. Well done, Sandile. Sandile is the hero, huh? What? Another one? Oh my goodness, I thought... Oh my goodness! I thought I was done! No! Oh my goodness, there's another one! There's another one! Ah! Alright. Alright, we can do this, we can do this, we can do this. Same strategy. One more Mud Slap. Oh, no, no, please resist. Please don't die. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Please, please. No! No! So close. So close. So close yet so far. Level 30 is not a joke, huh? Level 30 is not a joke. I thought I was gonna go to bed. I thought I was very close to going to bed, but apparently that is not an option. It's okay. I mean, it's not okay, but... we can do this again. We can try again. It's alright, True. Don't cry. Don't cry, True. We're gonna do this. I wish I had a better strategy, but I don't. I don't know what to do. Hang on! Hang on a sec. If he's a... If he's a flying type, the first one, whatever his name is, the electric flying type. If he's a flying type, I have rollout. I think I can do something with rollout. Hang on. I think I'm onto something. She humiliated me in front of everyone. In front of all these people. I'm back for more, gym leader! I'm back for more! I'm gonna trash you this time! True. I'm gonna do this now. He's a flying type. I can roll out on him and it's super effective roll out on him. It should be okay. Let's do this. Roll out. Volt switch. My goodness! Are you kidding me? Stupid volt switch. I hate that move. Oh, look at this move. I hate it. No, nothing. I didn't stand a chance. No. There's no point in paralyzing him. Okay, bag. Revive our friend the pig. I'm trying to think what to do next. That's good. I have an idea. Oh my goodness. Might take a while. The stupid fault switch ruined my technique. Alright, let's try with Tepig once again. Flame charge. Nothing. My goodness, nothing. Keeps doing full switch. I hate this Pokemon so much. What if I bite? I don't want to get static. Let's try it anyway. Oh my goodness, critical. My goodness, a critical hit. Nope, not doing anything now. He's giving me some time to heal, actually. Paralysis. That's good. Alright, try again. Should we try rollout? Let's try rollout. Frickin' vault switch! Frickin' vault switch! We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. I don't care. We're gonna do this. One down. Can I paralyze? Can I paralyze Fluffy? I think I can. Yes. Alright, that's good. We're good to go, I think. Take down. Alright, no problem. We're still good. We're still good. Sandine, go. Yes, I know, Chris. I know I'm under-leveled, yeah. You're leaving? Take care, Chris. Matslap. I am under-leveled, and that's the challenge. But I need to use my brains. I don't need to level up. I'll still do it, you know? That's what it's like. Come on. That makes one turn the move. Heat crash. Never heard of that move. Let's see what it is. Forget. What is it? What kind of move is it? What does it do? Alright. The user slams his target with his flame-covered body. The more the user outweighs the target, the greater the damage. Which is fantastic. It's going to be a good move in the future because... the more the user outweighs the target though, huh? That's okay. Let's replace Amber. That's good. That's a good move. Especially considering how big he's going to get when he evolves into Embor. Zapstrika. Okay. Okay, what are we gonna do? Level 30, that's not a joke. I'm thinking. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. Back, status, revive. Once again, I'm gonna revive my Marie. Back, I'm also gonna heal up my Marie. You're not gonna vault switch, you're not switch. Look at that, look at that, look at that. That's good, that's really good. What if I do Smog? Hang on. Nope. We tried. That's okay. But I have an ace up my sleeve, so... Marie, go! I hope I can attack first, but Zapstrika is a very fast Pokemon. So it's very unlikely. Let's see, Thunder Wave. What's that? Oh my goodness, I can't paralyze it. Actually increase the speed. Okay, that's bad. That's really bad. Takedown. Oh my goodness, I just did a big boo-boo. I made it worse. Oh my goodness, I just made it worse. I don't think I'm gonna do it again. Here we go, Mud Slap. Critical hit, and I lowered the accuracy. Okay, there's a slim chance I can do this. A slim chance. Mud Slap. Oh my goodness. Second Mud Slap. Flame Charge Pouch. Third Mud Slap. Uh-oh. Fourth Mud Slap. If I do 5, I'm happy. Fifth Mud Slap, please. Ouch. Come on. Miss an attack or 2 at least. Fight dirty. I'm lowering the accuracy as much as I can. Come on, we can do this. Oh no, you're healing. Don't heal. I'm gonna do the same thing actually. Thank you for the idea. And hopefully now your accuracy is very, very low, so you won't be able to attack back. Let's see. Yes! More mud in your face. It's working, true, it's working. There's a good chance I can do this now. Uh-oh, no, or not. I need to be careful. Alright. I ran out of Mud Slaps now, and I lowered it as much as I could. So... Bite. I did it! I did it. Did I? Hang on. I did it. I did it. I'm going to bed, guys. I'm going to bed. In your face, Ez. Wants to learn the move crunch. Fantastic. Even better than bite. Get. I did it. Ah, I did it. It took 2 tries. It took 2 tries. I'm going to bed now. GG. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You know what I feel like right now if I wasn't so tired? I feel like watching through stream. But I'm tired now. I'm gonna go to bed. I have to be up. 4, 5, 6, 7. I get to sleep 4 hours. Yeah! I get to sleep 4 hours now. I got 4 badges. We're halfway there. We're halfway there. Halfway through the game. Look at me on the big screen. If you have 4 badges, including this 4 badge, level up. I know. I did it, Barrow. I did it like a boss. And I got Volt Switch. It's a good move, huh? What do you want now? Let me go. Please walk with us. Walk with us. Look at this. Look at this mess. Well, I mean, if you're gonna open the box while if you're gonna open the box and I'm not present, I'll definitely watch the video. I mean, I was watching your video this morning of your last stream, and then you tweeted to me like you didn't open the box anyway, so like okay, then I'm not gonna watch. I'm not gonna watch if he's not gonna open the box. Alright, let's get out of here. Well, it was a productive stream. I managed to actually get 2 more badges now, so I'm halfway there, halfway the 8, and my next mission now I need to catch a water type Pokemon. I'm gonna heal up. And then I'm going to organize my Pokemon. So 28, 27, let's switch this one then. The lowest level always is on the front. That's my policy. Guys, I'm gonna go. It's getting very late. It's 4 AM here, as you can see on the clock. 4:16 actually. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna take a nap. Well, a sleep/nap. Thanks to everyone who showed up for my stream. I appreciate you being here. We have a lovely time chatting and laughing at each other. It's fun. Thank you so much for being here, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye!